service manager on board this British Airways flight to Hamburg. I'd like to add my personal welcome to each and every one of you. Welcome back members of our British Airways Executive Club and those joining us from our various One World frequent flyer programmes. We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and this must be securely fastened when the seatbelt signs are switched on. When it is safe to leave your seats, do take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and these could fall out and cause injury. We're about to start our onboard service for you on this 1 hour 10-minute flight to Hamburg. For those of you sat in our Club Europe cabin, we'll be offering a complimentary afternoon tea and any drinks from the bar, or tea and coffee. Those of you in our Euro Traveller cabin, we have a great selection of food and drinks. These are available for purchase. You can find details of today's M&S onboard menu in your seat pockets. You can pay by either using a credit or debit card, and for members of our Executive Club, we also accept Avios. However, we do not accept any cash, currency, or prepaid cards as payment. To enable us through the service today, we do kindly ask that you have your method of payment ready. We do hope you enjoy your time on board with us today. Thank you.